Imagine an empire hidden beneath your feet, an ancient dynasty larger than any city you've ever seen. It was built grain by grain, by millions of subjects, all ruled by one monarch, not a king, but a queen who doesn't march, doesn't fight, and doesn't even move. Yet, she commands cities that regulate their own temperature better than our most advanced skyscrapers, survive floods that can erase entire towns, and persist for decades, sometimes even centuries. This isn't science fiction, this is the reign of the Termite Queen, and once you understand how her empire truly works, you will never see the ground beneath you the same way again. At the very heart of every termite empire lies a body so transformed it barely resembles an insect. A mature termite queen can live for an astonishing 20 to 50 years. Her abdomen swells into a pulsating, living egg factory, laying one new egg every 2 to 3 seconds. That's over 30,000 new citizens born every single day. She isn't a ruler in the human sense of giving orders. She is the biological core of the empire, the very source of its existence. If you remove her, the city collapses into chaos and death, but while she herself appears vulnerable, her colony is anything but. Termite mounds are not just simple piles of dirt. They are climate-controlled megastructures, marvels of engineering. Inside, you'll find intricate airflow systems that channel fresh oxygen deep into the nest, temperature regulation that keeps the colony stable year-round, and sophisticated drainage tunnels that prevent catastrophic flooding. So, how do these subterranean cities survive a torrential downpour? Simple. They are designed for it. Water is expertly diverted through a network of underground channels, and any excess moisture is absorbed by the porous soil walls, all while the queen's chamber remains sealed, elevated, and completely protected. Floods don't drown termite empires, they test them, and almost always they pass. Now, here's the truth about her power. The queen doesn't order anyone. She programs them. Through an invisible language of pheromones, she dictates the fate of every single termite. She decides who becomes a worker, who becomes a soldier, and most importantly, who can reproduce and who never will. This isn't mind control. It's biological destiny written in chemistry. And this raises a chilling question. Do termites launch preemptive strikes against their enemies? In a way, yes. Soldiers aren't just created in reaction to a threat, they are bred in anticipation of it. When chemical signals detect a potential danger on the horizon, soldier production spikes, preparing the empire's defenses long before an enemy even arrives. It's an empire that plans for war without a single thought. But their society is far more complex than just workers and soldiers. Termites are farmers, cultivating vast gardens of fungus for food. They are educators, passing down knowledge to their young through a process of shared feeding called prophylaxis. They are medics, tending to their injured comrades. And they are undertakers, meticulously burying their dead to prevent the spread of disease. This leads to a controversial question. Why aren't termites, often seen as pests, universally condemned by environmentalists? Because termites are crucial ecosystem engineers. They are nature's ultimate recyclers. Breaking down dead wood and returning vital nutrients to the soil, they prevent the collapse of entire forests. If you were to destroy them all, many ecosystems would fail. The war we wage against termites isn't a moral one, it's purely logistical. But these empires are not invincible. A single, virulent fungal infection can sweep through a colony, turning its millions of inhabitants into mummified husks. This raises a dark but fascinating thought. Could we use this against other invasive species, like fire ants? Scientifically, it might be possible. Ethically, it's a minefield. Biological weapons don't respect borders or species. You might kill one superorganism, but you risk destabilizing countless others in the process. Termite queens have survived for millions of years not because they are invincible, but because nature, in its complex web of life, tolerates them. Termite empires existed long before the first humans walked the earth, and they will likely exist long after we are gone. Their intelligence is not individual, it is collective. A living city, a breathing machine, all powered by a single queen who never leaves her throne. Right now, beneath your feet, ancient dynasties still rule their hidden kingdoms. and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of their secrets. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the world of termites as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden world around us.